Students, in this class we'll see about the next property, distributivity. Now what does this property state? This property states that if A is multiplied by B plus C, that is B plus C within brackets, then AB plus AC, it is equals to AB plus AC. That is the LHS equals to the RHS even if we remove the bracket and multiply it separately. Okay, similarly A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. Now let us do this property with the help of an example. I am given half into 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So we can do it in this method. First we will solve the LHS, that is half into, first I'll find the LCM, it is 15. So 3 will go in this 5 times, it is 10 plus 9. Okay, so I get 1 by 2 into 9 by 15, 19 by 15, which is equals to 19 by 30. Now what is the RHS? RHS is nothing but half into 2 by 3 plus half into 3 by 5. Okay, that is what the AB plus AC. So half I am bringing inside the brackets. I hope you understood this step. So this is nothing but 1 by 3. You get 2 gets cut. So it is 1 by 3 plus 3 by 10. Now the LCM in this case is 30. So it go 10 times 10 plus 9, which is equals to 19 by 30. So the distributive property holds good in this case. I hope you all understood it. So A into B plus C within brackets is equals to AB plus AC. So this is what the distributive property states. Okay, we'll go to the next topic. Write the additive inverse for minus 7 by 15. What do you mean by additive inverse? When we add two numbers, when we get the answer as 0, that number is called the additive inverse. Okay, so minus 7 by 15, if I add it with 7 plus 7 by 15, I'll get the answer 0. So 7 by 15 is the additive inverse for for what? For minus 7 by 15. Okay. Similarly, 21 by 112. What is the additive inverse? Minus 21 by 112. I hope you understood this answer. You have just to put the minus sign. If it is already a minus, then make it into plus. That is how you find the additive inverse. Okay. Verify that minus of minus x is same as x for x equal to 6 by 5. We know from the additive inverse that minus x is equals to minus 6 by 5. Hence 6 by 5 plus of minus 6 by 5 equal to 0. Shows that the additive inverse of minus 6 by 5 is 6 by 5. Therefore, minus of minus 6 by 5 is 6 by 5, or minus of minus x is equal to x. Okay. You have, this is a very, such kind of problems you will get in your exercise. Now, using the appropriate properties, that is using the associativity and the distributive properties, you have to solve this problem. That is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So 3 by 5 happens here 2 times. So we can take it out as a common factor. So minus 2 by 3, I'll just rearrange and write into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. That is, I am clubbing the multiplicative parts together and I brought the addition to the end. Now I can remove minus 3 by 5 as a common term between these two terms. So minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So what is this? minus 3 by 5 into 3 into the LCM is 6, so goes in this 2 times, so it is 4 plus 1. Okay, plus 5 by 2. This is nothing but minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. So this and this will get cut. I get it as minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equals to 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. So this is by using the distributive property as well as the associative properties, we have solved this problem. How did I do it? I brought 3 by 5 outside as a common term and I wrote it like this. Okay, this is a very important topic. You will get questions from this kind of problems. Okay, now you have to represent minus 1 by 3 on number line. What is minus 1 by 3? This comes to the left hand side of 0, isn't it? Minus. And one more thing is, minus 1 by 3 lies between 0 and minus 1. Okay, so first we will divide this between 0 and minus 1. We will divide it into 3 subdivisions, 1, 2 and 3. First one will be minus 1 by 3, 2 by minus 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 is nothing but minus 1. Further I will have minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3 and minus 6 by 3 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, I hope you got it. So you can plot your 1 by 3 over here. This is your point. Minus 1 by 3 is got over here. Similarly, representing minus 7 by 4 on number line. Before that, we'll do a slight division. 7 divided by 4 goes in it 1 times. Remainder is 3. 7 times 28. Okay. So, here 1.7. What is the location of 7 by 4? It is 1.7. That means it lies between 1 and 2. Okay. It lies between minus 1 and minus 2. I hope you get it. So, how do you plot it? We divide this 0 to 1. I make 3 subdivisions. Minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Minus 4 by 4 is nothing but it is minus 1. So this will be minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4 and this is minus 7 by 4. So this is the point which I have to plot it on the number line. I hope you understood it. First, just find the location of it. I got it as 1.7 means it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. You divide it into 4 divisions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the next we can plot our number minus 7 by 4. This is how we represent numbers on the number line. Okay, now we are asked to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, so how do we find between rational numbers? Okay, so minus 2 by 5, I will multiply it by 4 in the denominator and the numerator. I'll get minus 8 by 20. Similarly, I will take 1 by 2 and I'll bring it to the same denominator, that is 20. So if I multiply it by 10 on both sides, I get 10 by 20. So the number of rational numbers between minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20 will be what? It will be minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, then I have minus 3 by 20, then I have minus 2 by 20, then minus 1 by 20, I'll have 1 by 20, all these numbers. They've asked for 10 rational numbers. So 2 by 20, then I have 3 by 20, 4 by 20. So I have on the whole I have got more than 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. That is, you have to bring the denominator to a common denominator. Bring both the digits to a common denominator and then you can write the number of rational numbers. That is all for today's class. Thank you.